Good morning students, this is Gurneet Kaur. So today I am going to teach very important theorem of chapter 6 triangles, that is Pythagoras theorem and its converse, that is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So first I am going to start Pythagoras theorem. Statement of Pythagoras theorem is, in a right triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This theorem you have done in previous classes also, but now you are going to prove this statement कि अगर आपके पास एक राइट ट्रायंगल है तो हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल होता है, सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ अदर टू साइड्स, दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. So in this statement it is given that let a triangle ABC right angled at B. हमने एक राइट ट्रायंगल कंसिडर कर लेना है ABC which is right angled at B. This is a right triangle ABC right angled at B. This B is 90 degree. And we have to prove that square of hypotenuse, side opposite to the 90 degree is always hypotenuse. So AC is a hypotenuse here. AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square you have to prove. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove this statement, we need a construction, that is BD perpendicular AC. Draw BD perpendicular AC. So let us start proof. In triangle ADB, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, we have to make these two triangles similar. First is this triangle and whole triangle ABC. In both the triangles angle A is common, angle A is equal to angle A common angle, and angle ADB, angle ADB is right angle due to perpendicular, BD perpendicular to AC, and angle ABC is equal to 90 degree given. So both the angles are 90 degree. Therefore by angle similarity criteria triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. And if the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. AD upon AB, taking AD as base of this triangle ADB and AB as base of whole triangle ABC. And hypotenuse of this small triangle is AB and hypotenuse of ABC is AC. So AD upon AB is equal to AB upon AC. Now cross multiplying, AB square is equal to AD into AC. Take this equation as equation number 1. Similarly, we will prove triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. Now in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, now I am taking this triangle. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle BDC is equal to angle ABC. BD is perpendicular to AC, therefore this angle is 90 degree, and it is given that angle B in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, so both are 90 degree. And angle C is common to both the triangles BDC and ABC, so angle C is equal to angle C common. Again by angle similarity criteria triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, and if the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Here corresponding sides are CD is the base of this small triangle and BC is the base of this whole triangle ABC. So CD upon BC, BC is a hypotenuse of the small triangle BDC and AC is a hypotenuse of whole triangle ABC. So BC upon AC, CD upon BC is equal to BC upon AC. After cross multiplying, we get BC square is equal to CD into AC. Now we will add both the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add, we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus CD into AC. Taking AC common, that is AC into AD plus CD. AD plus CD is equal to, in figure, In figure A, this is B, A and C. This is perpendicular BD. So AD plus CD is equal to AC. So AD plus CD can be written as AC. AC into AC is AC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence proved. Next is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Its statement is, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is a right angle. This is a converse. इसमें आपको गिवन है कि ट्राइंगल में अगर एक साइड का स्क्वायर दूसरी दो साइड्स के स्क्वायर के सम के इक्वल है तो जो एंगल होगा फर्स्ट साइड के ऑपोजिट वो 90 डिग्री होगा. For example, in this triangle, if it is given that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, आपने किया है AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then angle opposite to the first side that is AC will be 90 degree. अब इसमें given है कि AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square and you have to prove that angle B is equal to 90 degree. So here given is, let a triangle ABC in which AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square and you have to prove that angle opposite to the first side that is AC, angle is B, it is equal to 90 degree. Here we have to construct another triangle PQR. Draw triangle PQR that is right angled at Q. जो हमने triangle construct करना है अपनी तरफ से वो right angle triangle है and angle Q is equal to 90 degree here. एंड ये ट्रायंगल आपको ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है कि इसकी दो साइड जो हैं ट्रायंगल ए बी सी की दो साइड्स के इक्वल हैं. दैट इज पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए बी एंड क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू बी सी. मीन्स आपको एक ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है पी क्यू आर. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल होना चाहिए और एंगल अगर हम पी क्यू आर ले लें तो क्यू 90 डिग्री है. ए बी साइड पी क्यू की इक्वल होगी और क्यू आर साइड बी सी की इक्वल हो. तो प्रूफ में कैसे करेंगे? इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. अब ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. इट इज़ राइट एंगल एट क्यू दैट इज़ 90 डिग्री. सो इन इफ इट इज़ अ राइट ट्राइंगल देन वी कैन अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम हेयर. सो पी आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू आर स्क्वायर. नाउ बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए बी एंड क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू बी सी. देयरफॉर वी कैन रिप्लेस पी क्यू बाय ए बी एंड क्यू आर बाय बी सी. So PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Take it as equation number 1. Also it is given that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is given that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this is equation number 2. Now what will you get from equation number 1 and 2? PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right hand side of both the equation is same. Therefore left hand side is also same. That is PR square is equal to AC square. From 1 and 2 PR square is equal to AC square. Therefore it implies PR is equal to AC. This is equation number 3. Now in triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle, this is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is PQR in which AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR by construction. So in triangle ABC you have proved that from equation number 3 you have proved AC is equal to PR. AC is equal to PR from third equation, and by construction you have taken AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR in construction. So by SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. If triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. So angle B is equal to angle Q. If Q is 90 degree, B is also 90 degree. Hence proved. Thank you students.